Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming formal authorization and the exact scope of access. This is non-negotiable. Once done, present your permit and photo ID to the control office and activate any assigned two-factor device so your credentials are live. Bring required safety gear and make sure an approved escort or supervisor is scheduled. Do not proceed without the escort or without a valid time window. This establishes legal, auditable entry and prevents delays later when security validates your status. Approach the entry terminal with your escort and follow the published sequence exactly. First, present your badge and enter the two-factor code. Watch the terminal prompts and wait for green status. Then complete environmental checks, temperature, pressure, and tamper indicators as instructed, while cameras record the process. Make sure the supervisor observes and signs the electronic log after each step because these records are crucial. If anything shows abnormal readings, stop and notify control immediately so they can advise next steps. Finish by restoring the vault to its secure state. Replace seals, confirm locks engage, and update the chain of custody entry with timestamps and signatures. Once done, complete the access and incident reports, noting personnel present and any items handled. Make sure the supervisor countersigns the final log before you leave. If you encounter denial or a failed two-factor attempt, pause, verify your authorization window, re-attempt authentication calmly, and contact the control desk for resolution. Do not attempt alternative entry methods under any circumstances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.